Hi friends, I am Dr. Sudhar NG from Sanjeevani College of Pharmaceutical Education and Research. Friends, today we are going to study subject natural drug technology. In this subject, we are going to study a topic that is a herbal cosmeceuticals. Herbal cosmeceuticals, the name itself indicate you what is the combination of this one word. Herbal means there is a use of the plant sources which are very less toxic or no toxic to the human being, and cosmeceutical means to apply this one ingredient as a cosmetic just to improve your appearance or to impart this one particular agent into the body cavities to have a better effect that is known as a herbal cosmeceuticals. Now, in this chapter, we are going to study the introduction, then according to the site of the application where these ingredients are there or the cosmeceuticals are there that are to be utilized, then they are to be classified herbal cosmetic for skin, then for hair, then dentifrices means the dentifrices, the word indicates that these agents are there that are to be utilized for oral, that is a teeth purpose to have a healthy teeth. These are there that are used herbal cosmetics for nail care also. This is one of the important part is that in evaluation, how the evaluation is actually carried out and the conclusion of this one. So friends, what are cosmetics? Cosmetics, these are the substances which are used to enhance or to improve the appearance as well as odor and the in appearance of the human body. Likewise, when you're going to apply this one particular agent, when the face is somewhat oily one, we're going to wash this one face by using soap. But sometimes the repetition of this one oily is there, oilier is there show up also. In that case, to decrease the oily secretion, we're going to apply some chemical that comes in case of the cosmeceutical. The Food and Drug Administration (FDA) that defines the cosmetics. As per the FDA, cosmetics are there. These are the substances which are to be applied or intended to be applied or to the human body for a cleansing purpose, beautifying purpose, promoting the attractiveness or altering the appearance without affecting the body structure as well as the function. And when you are going to apply any type of the cosmetics, your body respiration is there is not going to be changed. Then perspiration is there is not going to be changed. That remain as such. It is not like that going to block the spores. So when your body pH is there is also not going to be changed. All this means your body is functioning normally, and only the appearance is there that it should be improved. Such type of the agents if there is known as a cosmeceuticals. Now, now what are herbal cosmetics? These are the cosmetics which are to be prepared by using the plant products. Means herbal. Herbs are there that are to be utilized in case of this one cosmetic in the preparation of the cosmetic. Different type of the aromas are there that are to be utilized to enhance the flavor of this one. And then some colorants are there that are to be utilized to have a better appearance in there that should be acquired. And likewise, the actions are there that should appear in case of the herbal cosmetics. Then recently the botanicals in the cosmetics have increased mainly due to the mild action and non-toxic nature. Botanicals means that are obtained from the botany. Botany is the subject that is related to the plant. Means some chemicals which are to be obtained from the plant source and that these chemicals are utilized. Now why we are going to use this one nowadays? Everyone is thinking regarding herbals. The trend toward the herb is increasing because they are mild, they have mild action and they are mostly the non-toxic in nature in a therapeutic dose. Every time I mention that in a therapeutic dose they are non-toxic because if you have to consume that drug in a huge quantity, then and then the drug shows its toxic effect. But when you have to consume this one drug in a therapeutic dose, you know, a therapeutic dose means what is the dose is decided by the official or mentioned in the official books as well as the different experimentals or animal ethical committee. Then in that dose, the drug show their pharmacological action But at that dose, the drug is there is not going to show any adverse effect or the toxic effect. In that case, they are to be considered as a non-toxic. Whereas the sometime allopathy drug may show you the toxic effect in the therapeutic dose. So they are more convenient as compared to the allopathic drug. Then in cosmeceutical, both the natural then phyto ingredients are used. Natural product that includes oils, then extract, secretions. Then phyto ingredients include the pure constituent which are to be obtained by the various process. For example, natural product includes oils. For example, your almond oil is there that is to be utilized. Then Brahmi is there that is to be utilized. So some extracts are there that are to be utilized as such. These are known as a natural products. Okay, secretions are there. Gums are there that should be secreted. Resins are there that are to be secreted. Oils are there that are to be released from the plants. Likewise, these are the natural products. But phyto ingredient that include means pure component which have specific action on the part of the body. For example, sterols are there. Then your chemicals are there, beta carotene is there, then colorants are there, which are to be isolated from the plant part in a pure form. Caffeine is there, that is to be isolated from the coffee arabica is there, okay. And they are to be used for the purpose, is known as the phyto ingredients are there. This is the difference between the natural product and the ingredients are there. Now, the definition. The Drug and Cosmetic Act 1940 have defined what are cosmeceuticals. Means for any type, this definition covers all the purpose, all the meanings. If any single material which is to be applied, sprinkle, pour, spray, introduce, or applied to the part of the human body or into the body cavities of the human body for cleansing purpose, for beautifying purpose, for promoting the attractiveness or altering the appearance. It includes any article intended for the components of the cosmetics, means any material which is to be obtained either from the plant source, animal source, or mineral source for this one purpose that covers that is a cosmeceuticals. If the herbs are used for this one purpose, then it is known as a herbal cosmetics. Now, according to the site of application, the herbal cosmetics are classified such as the skin cosmetic, which is to be applied to the skin, hair cosmetic, dentifrices, nails, then eyes. Likewise, the classification is there is found. Remaining see in the next lecture.